I found this gold picture frame at the secondhand store for $3. I removed the glass but kept the cardboard backing. Plastic mesh canvas can be found in the needle art aisle in a craft store. I also picked up some poster board with gold polka dots. Using the cardboard backing, I measured the poster board and cut it to match. I then did the same with the plastic mesh canvas. Using a stapler, I attached the plastic mesh canvas and the poster board together. I stapled along the very outer edge where it would be hidden by the frame. I then put everything into the frame, including the cardboard backing. And this is what it looks like all put together. I mounted it on my wall and put my earrings on it.